Hello, Dr. Melder here with IDOTO. Thank you very much for your interest in ChitoRhino or your purchase of one of our ChitoRhino products. This is a short introduction video into some common questions patients have about how to use our CleanWash bottle. First of all, if you've never used our bottle before, this is our CleanWash bottle. It's got a removable top and a removable bottom. It's a best-in-class product. No other wash bottle on the market has features like this. And what this allows for is when you're done cleaning your nose, you can completely clean, wash, and dry the bottle itself, clean, wash, and dry the top and bottom cap so that you don't get any bacterial growth or contamination in the bottle when you set it by your kitchen counter or in your bathroom. No other bottle has these features, and if you have seen our other videos on our website or on YouTube, then you can see how we stack up with the leading brand and how they allow for backwash contamination. So a couple of common things that I wanted to go over is when you're putting your water into the CleanWash bottle, it's very important that you make sure that the top and the bottom caps are completely tight. If they are not completely tight, then when you're squeezing the bottle, you're going to have a leak of air and or water from the top or the bottom of the device. And if it's not on properly, you can see I'm not even able to generate any, and you can see the bubbles coming up from the bottom and air leaking and water leaking at the bottom. So you've got to make sure that your bottom cap is completely tight and your top cap is completely tight. And I've told my customers and patients, sometimes once you put the water in there, especially if it's a warm water, you may want to reseat and retighten the seals to make sure that the O-rings, if you take the bottom cap off and the top cap and look at them, there's a little O-ring to make sure that it's perfectly sealed. So make sure that it's completely sealed, and this eliminates probably 90% of the questions that we have about how to use the CleanWash bottle. And then when it's tight, then you can squeeze the liquid, and you notice that squeak, that's a squeaky clean sound, and that's because the valves are doing their job. And the other thing that you'll notice, and I'm actually going to demonstrate how to do a nasal rinse here in a second, but one thing you do notice is when you do the rinse, you don't need a long squeeze like this. You just need short pulsing actions, because when your head is down like this into the leaning over the sink and you do a short pulsing action like this, maybe a little bit more forceful than that, you'll create a gentle flow, a gentle stream that's going to irrigate your nose nice and gently. You do not need to deform the bottle. You may have been used to doing that with the leading brand bottle because the plastic is very soft. You don't need to do that with the CleanWash bottle, okay? And I will demonstrate that. So some of the squeakiness that you heard, you notice the valve here and the valve here. This one's for the liquid, this one's for the air. As the liquid's coming out and air is coming back in, these valves are very thin, and as the air flows past the valve, it's like having a piece of grass between your thumbs and you're whistling. You're going to get a whistle sound. It's okay. Usually with repeated use, that sound goes away. So now what I wanted to do is actually show you how to use the CleanWash bottle and do a nasal rinse. So that will be next. Thank you very much.